Welcome to Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Ford C-Max SEL Hybrid, stock number E1283PA. Only 32,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, magnetic gray in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. 60/40 split rear seats. Fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system on both sides. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity,
search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the C-Max has a 2-liter 4-cylinder matched with a hybrid electric motor. Runs on the electric motor as much as possible, only using the gas when needed. Exceptional fuel economy, EPA average of 42 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this C-Max, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.